Here we are driving home through a frontal passage in Colorado that includes high winds. You'll see as we turn the corner here that a tumbleweed comes out from the left-hand side and streaks across the screen to the right at about 40 miles an hour. Right there. Now, as we pull forward, there's still strong winds blowing and tumbleweeds are wedged along the left side of the road. You'll see one come out in just a second. That one causes FSD to brake hard. That really scared my wife. Well, I think my wife wanted to pull over, but there was a car behind us. There, I put my turn signal on. The next few tumbleweeds right up ahead also got FSD's attention, triggering hard braking for what it saw as obstacles crossing the road. FSD kept it disengaging, and those next few times it just became intolerable, and I had to take over and finish this leg of the trip about another mile forward, eastbound, driving in manual because FSD wouldn't do it. So this was an intervention similar to the leaves crossing the road and that sort of thing that people have seen FSD perform on version 14.2.2.2. But here's an example of where I had to take over and FSD wouldn't complete the drive.